Time now for your weather on the 4s.
Welcome back, Utah. 6:14. Time for weather on the 4s. Meteorologist Cesar Cornejo here with us this morning. Cesar, you've shown us some pretty dramatic flooding footage already today. Are we expecting more rain down south?
Well, Sarah, we can expect to see a little bit more of that rain activity really still hanging around for us. We have all of that moisture in the atmosphere, so it's going to continue for us. Again, still smoky out there given the fact that we have plenty of smoke still filtering in from the west. We have a flash flood watch that is still going to be It's in place, going to take effect later on throughout the day, and we'll see that we have the flash flood danger still hanging around for us. And then we see the possibility of more storms for us. But taking a look here outside of our Dixie Tech St. George camera, we'll play this severe thunderstorm that did make its way through. It dropped down a lot of rain really quickly and also brought in some strong winds wind gusts around 60 miles per hour so far. That's what we expect. That's what we saw out of that storm system. And right now, showers still hang around just south of Escalante, and this is all kind of just lingering activity. Not going to see much out of these storms so far right now. We don't have that necessary energy that we get as the sun makes its way in. But again, we might see some sun under this smoke, but other than that, not much else. In northern Utah, it's dry and it's going to be on the warmer side. You can also see that with our current smoke map, it's showing that it's going to be thick. We go out there, see the sunrise, it's not going to be the prettiest. It's going to be pretty hazy out there and even continue that way for the next few hours. And even though it does end up being on the hazy side, we'll still be pretty hot. We'll be towards the mid-90s by this later afternoon. And really one thing we can expect to see is shower activity pushing in from the south. So we're hoping that that kind of activity will help clear out some of the air for northern Utah. We know it helps scrub our atmosphere down in southern Utah. The rain does help wash out some of that smoke, but we also end up seeing the possibility for some flash flooding. That's why we have the flash flood watch. And again, it starts noon, continues until midnight, and the areas that are always susceptible are unfortunately under this watch once again, really hanging around southwest Utah for us. Looking at our flash flood potential, we have just had an update. We are seeing that Zion National Park has the expected potential so far for us today, and as we look at FUTURECAST, we expect to see shower activity really sparking up towards the later part of the afternoon and really continuing for us. It even gets as far north as parts of the southern Wasatch Front, and even going into tomorrow, we could see some shower activity for us also. Regional forecast, we're expecting to see temperatures hanging around the triple digits in northern Utah. 90s for southern Utah. 92 will be the high in St. George today, and we see that it will remain steady around the mid-90s, even towards the lower 100s for us towards the middle of the week. Wasatch Front, we expect to see temperatures decrease as our storm chances increase for us, so it will be a nice little trade-off that we get.